The door opens! The door opens!
Yeah, you get in there. Good luck.
Okay. Oh mate, look at that. For an old steering wheel. I mean...
That's a GTI, bruv.
Oh, GTI.
Fast as fuck, that thing.
Well, milk was here. Handbrake. Oh, look at that for a fuse box.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to start.
Yeah. If there's a zombie apocalypse, guys, would any of you use this as a last resort to survive? I mean, it's got a metal boundary, I mean, and it's pretty well hidden.
Not even its own resort. If it was the only place left on Earth, no.
It's not that bad.